Here's a video of how our customers remove dirt and grime from their vehicle nice and quickly. So this video was sent in on Facebook by one of our customers who had applied our Snowstorm Maximus to their vehicle. They just let it dwell for a few minutes, and then what they're doing is just rinsing it off with the pressure washer, and as you can see, all the dirt is coming off nice and easily. They are using a fairly high powered pressure washer, but this will work with any regular pressure washer at home too. What it will do is it will just rip all the dirt off the surface and on the wheels as well, so you can literally attack all the vehicle, get rid of all the dirt and grime nice and easily without damaging any paintwork at all. This product is also safe on ceramic, so you can use it knowing that your sealants won't be affected. Click the link below to get yours today.